Hi, and welcome to the Sequential Artists Workshop. I'm Tom Hart. I'm the director of the Sequential Artists Workshop, where we teach comics and graphic novels. We're here to talk about the curriculum for the Odyssey of Sergeant Jack Brennan. In this course, we're going to learn a lot about how pictures work, how they work from a design level, and also how they work to create mood and emotion and drama once you've introduced characters and backgrounds and other objects. Then we're going to look at how pictures work in sequence, how they work to tell a story when they're juxtaposed together, and different ways that we can sort of tweak that order and play with that to get different kinds of dramatic effects. And then we'll learn about page compositions, where we'll take some of these sequences and design them for the page. We'll use the length and the width of the page. We'll use heightened ideas about design to get across the ideas and the emotions we're trying to communicate in our story. And finally, we're going to look at story structure. We'll look at traditional structure, but we'll also look at different kinds of storytelling techniques that can sometimes provide chances for surprises in our content. The Odyssey of Sergeant Jack Brennan uses all sorts of different types of storytelling techniques, from simple comic pages with 6 panels on a page to more grand and grandiose page layouts, to drawings that are sketchy and naturalistic, to drawings that are very polished and much more commercial. The book started as a series of ideas and a script written by Brian Derries. From there, we sought out a series of artists to tackle the different sections of the book, and each artist tackled certain parts of the book in different ways. We're really excited by the outcome. We're really excited by the ways in which these artists have told the stories along with the writer. And what we want to do is use this book to highlight some of the ways in which you can tell a story using comics. There are long panels, tall panels, wide panels, skinny panels, single panels over the course of an entire page, multiple smaller inset panels on top of larger images, different types of lettering, at least 3 different fonts. There's all sorts of different types of storytelling choices in this book, and what this curriculum is about is helping you understand the choices that go into making comics and helping you to get to the point where you make your own storytelling choices. So to make this easy and to make this fun, we've isolated a lot of the assets, the characters, the objects, the backgrounds, and things like that from the Odyssey of Sergeant Jack Brennan. You'll be able to manipulate these in any way you see fit. We may ask you to create new panels from a variety of different sources. We may ask you to combine a variety of different panels. We may ask you to create new contexts from old panels. And we may ask you to take some of those panels and turn them into different types of page designs. We've cut up these assets so they can be fun and easy to work with. To that end, you're going to need some photo editing software on your computer. Adobe Photoshop is the big one. It comes in expensive versions, but also cheap and free versions, sometimes with a digital camera or something like that. It also comes in a demo version. Manga Studio would also work, as would a lot of other photo editing software. A free one online is called GIMP. It stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program, and that is out for Windows, Mac, and Linux. It's free and will do just about everything we need it to do. So you'll need one of these pieces of software on your computer to complete the assignments. When you finish the assignments, you'll be able to upload them to share or for feedback from our faculty. Our main goal here is to get you telling stories, and we're happy to have you. Thanks for joining us.